Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I'm introducing you to my furry pet Simba. Say hello, Simba. Good boy, good boy. Now he's had a haircut. It's a home crafted haircut. I'm pretty good. I think I'll get a job as pruning doggies. Alright, but jokes aside, what I wanted to talk to you today was about Soothing Salve and how it can be used on animals. So young Simba here has a sore ear. So if you look at this ear, see it's lovely, it's pink. If I can get him to turn, there we go, lovely and pink. And this ear is red and irritated. Can you see that? Now he could be having a reaction to some shampoo that he's used, or some bubbles in his ear or something like that after he had a wash, or it could be something from the garden, and if things get worse then I'll take him to the vet and we'll check it out. But so far I've had a look in his ear, can't see anything in there, just red irritated skin. So I've got some salve on my fingertip here. I'm using a glove because, you know, it's earlobes, it's a bit gross. So what I'll do is I'll rub the salve all over my fingertips, and then I'll just get his ear, just gently massage all of the skin. Now this might not cure what ails him. Simba, you've disappeared. It might not cure what ails him, but it will help stop the redness and the itching, which must be driving him nuts in any case. So there you have Soothing Salve for pets. It's safe enough to rub on them if they get flea bites or a skin condition, or muzzy bites or fly bite, you know, when they eat their ears. Gorgeous boy. Yeah, so anyway, again, if you have any questions, let me know. Always happy to help, and as usual, thanks for watching.